This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ram Almogue. Beautiful lake view second floor condo unit in a gated community. Split floor plan, 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms and a large screened-in patio plus storage closet. Updated kitchen cabinets and newer appliances including glass top stove, side-by-side refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave. Laminated floors throughout, walk-in closet, central air conditioner, washer/dryer in the unit. Water, sewer and trash removal incorporated in the rent. Freshly painted and ready for immediate move-in. Community offers beautiful grounds, tropical landscape and lakes, clubhouse, fitness center, swimming pool, hot tub, sauna and barbecue/picnic area. For more information, review the details below.